Hello once again, this is Kay and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how I decorate my 2-layer wedding cake. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button down below. So as usual, I was stocking this 10-inch cake and covering it with whipped cream frosting. As for my icing, I am using whipped cream frosting. Then I'll just smooth it using my spatula because I am more comfortable using this spatula. This cake has a theme of rustic theme design. So for it to be more rustic, I'll just spread color brown frosting at the bottom part and then smooth it. Disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako isang professional chef. I am a medical technologist and I really love baking and decorating cakes. Day off, I usually bake cake and of course sell it. For the second layer, I'm just stocking 8-inch chocolate cake. And for its decoration, I am using plastic flowers because for me it was easy to decorate, it was easy to arrange, and of course you have to wash it before you use it. And for our final touch, of course, the touch of edible pearls. It makes all the difference, guys. It makes the cake super lively and super classy. So this is our final look, and here is our rustic theme wedding cake. Hope you enjoy watching my vlog, and please subscribe for more videos. Bye!